Good morning. My name is Kennedy Kopke, and this is Rayhan Hassam. We will be your MCs for this morning's assembly.
Please join us in acknowledging that we live, work, and learn on the traditional lands of the Musqueam and Tsleil-Waututh Squamish Coast Salish peoples.
Please welcome Jenna Talib and Saleha Ali to the stage to sing the national anthem and our school song, sung en français.
Stands as Mulgrave's motto. We give our best in everything we try. Simple beginnings, building on each day. Mulgrave's the place where dreams come true. Working together, spurring on each other. Trust in Mulgravians, friendship through and
Do you remember our first day of kindergarten?
Doesn't time fly?
I can't believe we're already in grade 6.
Moving on, did you hear about KN and KJ's assembly?
Yeah, everyone's talking about how they're performing about cycles of life.
Like the rain cycle.
Evaporation, condensation, precipitation, yeah! Please welcome KV and KJ to the stage for their assembly.
Finally, some time to relax after all the learning we have been doing in the classroom. My brain hurts from all this investigating about our central idea. Time brings about change. If only we could stay out here for the whole afternoon.
Seriously, we could show our teachers how all the things we're learning about are happening right here.
What do you mean?
Okay, let's zoom into those kids over there. I think we can learn something from them.
Let's play hide and seek in the trees. It's nice in the shade on a hot day. Remember in the fall when there's so many leaves under the ground? Hide underneath them. The trees were such beautiful colors. Why do the leaves fall off anyways? You would think the trees would be cold in winter.
It is so strange to think this happens every year.
I used to live in Mexico and I swim there through most of the season. I'm so glad it's spring when all the buds grow, flowers blossom, trees and birds begin to sing.
But summertime is the best when the days are longest and I get to stay up late.
A season seems long to us because we're only 5 years old, but seasonal changes have been happening for millions of years.
Here we go. 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 Seasons of the year. Here we go. Seasons of the year. Here we go. Seasons of the year. Here we go. Seasons
As you can see, those children have made lots of connections between time, seasons, and plants. They sure know a lot about changes happening in nature. But that's not all. Look at that group of kids over by the stream. It looks like they're observing changes in other living things.
But what other changes could there be? Surely the first group of kids has figured it all out.
Well, let's go see what those kids are up to.
Look, a ladybug landed on my arm. It's so cute. I wish I could keep it forever. Gross. It may be cute now, but don't you know what it looked like before? It had those shiny red wings. I know. It's the same 4 stages as a butterfly. It's so amazing how it goes through so much change in only 4 to 8 weeks. It starts out as an egg, then changes into a larva, pupa, and a adult in such a short time. Did you know ladybugs bring good luck? Not just that, my grandfather told me that they eat aphids. That's good because aphids damage the trees by eating the leaves and apples.
Once I visited a farm and I learned that farmers buy ladybugs to wreck their crops.
Wow, I had no idea that ladybugs make good positive change in the whole wide world. Mrs. Voldry knew what she was doing when she decided to call us the KV Ladybugs. I heard some kids talking about the KV ladybugs. Why does Miss Jazz call us the KJ fish? That's easy. We are knowledgeable like a school of fish. I thought it was all about the salmon. They're such interesting species. Did you know that they start out their lives as eggs in a stream? Yeah, they change into fly and then migrate to the ocean. They spend their lives in the ocean, but travel back to the place they were born to lay their own eggs. They are super smart. That's a whole lot of change in a short period of time. Their life cycle only lasts about 4 years. Thank goodness, humans have a longer period of time to go through all our changes. Otherwise, we would already be grandparents by now. I wonder what we will be like. Can't you believe the year is almost over? It has been at times of growth and change. When we were babies, our brain was developing quickly. We learned how to talk, smile, eat, and crawl, but we sure did sleep a lot. How do you even remember what you were like as a baby? Well, we burned the X
experts, our parents. Remember when they visited our classrooms and we interviewed them to find out how we've changed over time? Oh yeah, and they talked about our toddler years too. As toddlers, we learned how to run, jump, and play. Did we annoy our parents when we learned to say no?
Remember in the ELC, we could ride on tricycles and climb on the equipment?
We thought we were so grown up because we were learning how to manage a whole day independently. But we couldn't imagine what it was going to be like in the big school. Having lots of specialists to teach us and help us with our learning. We have changed so much.
Now I can eat many kinds of food instead of just milk. I can write in my journal. I can do math like addition. I can be kind to my friends. I can listen to my teachers, Miss Jasic and Miss Whiteway.
So when I was a little boy, my mom helped me a lot. I helped my baby too. I can write stories on my name and other people's name. When Liam was new in the classroom, I helped Liam a lot. I like counting by twos and counting by fives and counting by tens. I can read a lot of words like cat and the hat.
Now I can spell and sound out the words and try to read. I can listen to the teacher. I can draw. My favorite thing to draw is a unicorn. A unicorn that's very tricky. I can write cat.
Now I can read, I can write, run, jump, and skip. It is better to be a kid because you could do lots more stuff.
I feel smarter and taller. I can now do splits and flip. I can read more than I did at the beginning of the year. Before I went to preschool and the ELC and kindergarten, now I can ride neither and ride my bike more independently, and I'm learning gymnastics at a higher level, and I'm learning Mandarin, and I got better, and my mommy and daddy are proud of me.
It looks like growth and change is happening all around us all the time. Yeah, there are so many things that grow.
Now let's start with a tiny little seed that slowly grows and becomes a tree. And the little twigs and branches become big limbs. With leaves that sway and rustle in the wind. With leaves that sway and rustle in the wind. There are so many things that grow, grow, grow. So many things that grow, grow, grow. There are
So this one.
You guys grow too.
All I remember from my kindergarten assembly was that I was a fairy.
You were what?
I was
You were
a fairy.
I can't remember anything.
I remember because of pictures.
Okay. Just wait.
Wow, I loved learning about different cycles in life.
Yeah, it was so interesting. I learned so much watching how cycles change over time.
Please welcome Miss Reed to the stage to talk about summer camps.
Good morning. I know it seems like a long way off until summer, doesn't it? No, the weather's been so beautiful. It's almost summer, almost summer. So we've got a load of amazing summer camps for you guys. And the nice thing is that everybody in this room can come to summer camp. Because when you look at the registration camp on the Mulgrave homepage, if it says grade 1, that actually means all of you in kindergarten, because it's the grade that you're going to be in September. So all of you in kindergarten, if you want to come to summer camp at Mulgrave this year, you can, which is so fun. And we've got all sorts of things. We've got some new things we've never had before, like we've got some STEAM programs where you can make your own radio clock, a radio alarm clock. You can make your own night light, all kinds of things like that. If you missed out on the performance this year with Mr. Caton, he's doing a 2-week musical theatre camp that you might be interested in. We've got all kinds of fun things in every area: arts, athletics, academics, all sorts of things. Some outdoor exploration where you can camp overnight on the rooftop garden, all sorts of things. But one exciting new thing we've got this year is to do with the Whitecaps. Who's ever heard of the Vancouver Whitecaps? Put your hands up. Good. There should be every hand up. So there are home team for soccer, and we've got a celebrity here today to talk to you, who is Mr. Sam Lenarduzzi, who was for 9 years a professional player. He played 47 times for Canada. He's in the Canadian Soccer Hall of Fame, and he runs the Whitecaps camps all over Canada. So can we give a big round of applause for Mr. Lenarduzzi?
Wow, thank you very much. First of all, I'm privileged to be up here, and I do want to say something. We work on teamwork at all our camps, and that was one of the best pieces of teamwork that I've seen with the teachers and the kids. So I think you should give them another big round of applause. So as Miss Reed has said, she mentioned a little bit of my background. I've been lucky. Soccer has been very good to me, and I'm still doing what I love. The Vancouver Whitecaps started in 1974. I don't know if there's, well, there might be some of the parents that would have come then, but the kids weren't even born at that point in time. So I was lucky to be a player and the captain of that team for quite a while before I went off to Toronto to play in Toronto. And then I've been lucky to play with a national team and see the world. So sports can get you a lot, but sports isn't everything. So when you come to our camps, a few things that we talk about are respect, sportsmanship, teamwork, and try and do the best that you can. So always remember those words, because even though you're going to use them in the camp, you use them every day. It's a very, very important thing for you. But I think, Scott, if I can, if you can just, there's a couple of videos I want to show you, and then I will come back and talk to you.
Yeah, Whitecaps FC. Our all, our honor. Vancouver. Unity. Scarves up. Yeah. Set me free and give me death, there ain't no other choices. When I lay down and go to sleep, I keep on hearing voices. Little whispers in my head, man, is you fake a lawyer? Why no water, that designer, baby, pick your poison. These little demons living underneath my bed, creeping. Know the real monster lives above them all, sleeping. That subtle breathing in your closet every single evening. Thought you never see me again, looks can be deceiving. When they hear the sound of the drum, they'll be saying, oh Lord, here they come. Southsiders, here we come. Curva, yeah, here we come. Rain City, here we come. Yeah, here we come.
Nerwinski with the cross. Reno!
And when you hear the sound of the drum, we'll be saying, here we come.
Nicholas Mosquito!
Yeah, here we come. Hey, here we come. Here we come. Here we come. I used to think that people die because they wicked. Nowadays, people wanna see you dead because you gifted. Been ready for my tomb since I came up out the womb. So no matter what, I'm coming back and paying you a visit. Saw it coming, I predicted. But y'all wouldn't listen. No, you can't protect your riches if you never burn bridges. Flip pages, went places, made changes, still dangerous. Now I'm back. Altercation, hold still. I make it painless how it feel, baby. When you say you love me, is it real, baby? Full speed, both hands on the wheel, baby. Young Taz coming from the Mo field, baby. You know the drill, baby. Yeah. And when you hear the sound of the drum, we'll be saying, here we come. Yeah, here we come. Hey, here we come. Here we come. Yeah, here we come. Southsiders, here we come. Provide Collective, here we come. Rain City Brigade, here we come. Vancouver, here we come.
Accurate passing with both feet, level 1.
So some of these drills are what you'll see in the camp, some of the new drills. It's a competition, I'll explain in a few minutes for you.
At 5 meter line to pass through the gate. Then back around the cone to pass first ball with the left. After passing 6 balls from 5 meter line, the drill finishes with 4 balls from the 10 meter line. A successful pass from 5 meters is 1 point, from 10 meters is 2 points. Accurate passing off the dribble with both feet, level 1. The player starts by the balls, gets the first ball, turns and dribbles and passes off the dribble through the gate. Then runs to get the next ball. This time the pass has to be with the left foot through the left gate. Then repeat. The player does this for 35 seconds and passes as many balls as possible. They have the choice to hit the pass from the 10 meter line or the 5 meter line. 10 meter line is worth 2 points, 5 meter line is 1 point.
So those are the types of drills that you'll be doing and you'll be tested on. The thing that we've changed in our camp this year is we're trying to work on the basic soccer skills so that you can do some of the things that you saw our team do in the first video in the opening. And I should mention that in these camps that we do as well, we're always looking for talent. So if you have an aspiration and you have a passion for soccer, then it's a good opportunity and start to the pathway. And there's a couple of the players that have come through our system, and those two would be a fellow by the name of Russell Tybert, and I understand one of the teachers here is related to Russell, and also another player by the name of Alfonso Davies. Has anybody seen Alfonso play? Yes, I'm sure you have. He's a tremendous young talent, still only 17. So he's got a long ways to go. So very quickly, I'll tell you a little bit about the camp. What will happen, it runs from July 16th to the 20th. You'll have 5 full days. Each day from Monday to Thursday, we'll test you on the different skills. We're going to actually record the scores, and at the end of the week, you'll get that report card back. The skills you'll do twice in the week, so the whole intent is for you to work on those skills, and then if you work on those skills, hopefully when you do it the second time, your score will be better than the first time. But what's great about the whole thing is we're doing this right across the country, And the top 100 scores that are in are going to be all brought to Vancouver, and we're going to have a final at our UBC Training Center, which was in the background of that little video. And you'll all get to compete to see who is the best in Canada at those same skills. And also after that, you get to all go to a game and meet some of the players. But also, the other highlights of the camp, you'll all get a t-shirt. You'll all also get to meet one of the players, because we'll bring one of the players to the camp that'll take pictures and sign autographs with you. And also, who knows who the mascot is for the Whitecaps? Anybody know? Just shout out his name for me. Spike. That's correct. Spike will make an appearance as well. So it'll be a lot of fun, and you'll get to learn a lot of soccer. But the other thing, as I talked about before, is remember those words about sportsmanship, respect. Try and do the best that you can. And the biggest thing is to have fun. So I hope to see you all at the camp, and we'll all have lots of fun. Thank you for having me today. Thank you.
Please welcome Mikhail and Sarah to the stage to talk about the World Partnership Walk.
Good morning, junior school. My name is Sarah, and this is my friend Mikhail.
We are in grade 10, and we are here to talk to you about the 2018 World Partnership Walk. We are the captains for this year's Mulgrave team. The World Partnership Walk is an initiative open to all to help raise money for global poverty.
This year, the walk will take place on Sunday, June 17th. If you love music, great food, and want to spend time with your friends, then this is definitely the event for you. If this is something you would like to get involved in, please join the Mulgrave team.
In order to sign up, all you have to do is go to the World Partnership Walk website and sign up under our Mulgrave team.
There will also be more information in this week's Connections newsletter in regards to the sign-up process and how you can get involved. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions.
We hope to see all of you there. Thank you.
So, kindergartners, I knew these guys when they were in kindergarten, and look at how much they're growing. Can you believe it? They're already in grade 10, and look at how big they are and smart they are, and they're doing great things. So well done. And you too will be, you might be this tall one day, do you think? Yeah? Well done. Thank you.
Please welcome Miss Mitchell back to the stage.
Can we all sing her a happy birthday?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Miss Mitchell. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha.
Now please welcome Miss Vaudry, Miss LaFaux, Miss Jasic, and Miss Dulal Whiteway to the stage to hand out merit certificates.
Slight change in plans. Miss Walters is going to come up here to pass on some math certificates before we do our merit certificates. Sorry.
So almost as exciting as soccer, math contests. So the grade 4s and 5s wrote their annual math contest this year, and even the teachers thought these challenges or these contests were particularly challenging this year. So we want to congratulate all of the 4s and 5s for persevering. And today, I'm going to announce the top 3 in each grade on those contests. So in grade 4, in no particular order, Gabriel Prisicariu, Lachlan Jones, and Adam Wong. Please join us on stage. Thank you. Now in grade 5, I guess the exhibition tired them out because some of them had to go on holiday early, or the exhibition tired their parents out, not too sure. But some of them are still here, and I would still like to recognize the top 3 students in grade 5 as well. So Andrew Shu, Vanessa Leo, and Andrew Lang. Thank you for coming to school today. Congratulations. So one last round of applause. Thank you. Okay, guys. Okay. Well done.
And we're back on track. Thank you for that nice wishes for my birthday. That's really nice of you. Now, I'm not sure that that could have been any cuter. It's always amazing to watch our kindergarten students perform like they do, and what a fabulous job our teachers have done to prepare them. And the best part of this is that this is the stuff that they've been learning in their classroom for a long time, and to watch them grow and to learn about growing. And I know that they had little infants in, they had little toddlers in, they had grandparents in, they had parents in, to talk about the growth that happens over time. And I'm just so impressed with the growth that you've provided for these little ones over time. And we certainly saw it today, so well done. Didn't they do a great job? Congratulations. This week's Merit Certificate winners: from 3D, Dylan Shokar; from 3H, Nora Zhao; from 3M, Maurice Nazari; from 2F, Melody Feng; from 2F, Harlow Stewart; from 2PD, Oz Oland; from 2PD, Daniel Fasihi. Stay here. Can you stay here with me? This is a dream. I can't believe it. Congratulations. Are you excited? Oh, that's so fun. I think your mommy's here. Congratulations, Oswald. Congratulations. It's like a dream. From 1C, Keva Metra Mahotra; from 1K, Grace Yu; from 1S, Harris He; from 1S, Alec Aroso. Here, this way, over here. From KJ, Zachary Wang. Shh, if we can just listen. From KJ, Liam Ko. From, oh, just wait over here. From KN, Anya Cornela. From KN, QQ Zhuang. From KV, Callum Vriznik. From KV, Alyssa Zhao. From KV, Ariana Urshad. Congratulations. Well done. Good boy. Congratulations. This end. That end. Look at me. Good girl. Look at me. Congratulations. Well done. Good boy. This end. Good girl. Congratulations. That end. This end. Congratulations. I'm always so impressed that they look me in the eye, and when they shake their hand. That's a great skill. Well done. From 4D, Jaden Demon. From 4B, Kian Bergener. From 4L, Adam Wong. From 4S, Graham Louis. From 4S, Misha Rubin. Well done, Adam. Congratulations. Give me a shake. Proper shake. Squeeze my hand. There you go. Well done, Graham. Good boy. Congratulations. Well done. This way. Congratulations. Your mom and dad are here. From 5C, Martina Ravello Lorena. From 5C, Arthur Sun. From 5C, Jake Myring. From 5J, Blake Shan. I know that. From 6R, Claudia Zhang. From 6R, Monet McLaughlin. From 6RJ, Frank Liu. From 6Y, Eva Roos. Congratulations to this week's winners. You did a great job. Well done. You can go back to your seats now.
I'm not nervous anymore. You can go. Okay. Yeah.
Please welcome Mr. Moore to the stage to hand out house points.
Wow. Boys and girls, this is one of the last times this year that we are going to have our house point announcements. And let me tell you, I know it's sad and you've worked so hard. But you know what? Let's cheer. Let's not be sad. And I happen to know that there are 4 teachers backstage who we are going to make them cheer in the weirdest and wackiest ways. Are we ready for that? Does that sound like a good idea? Now, let's just invite them right out. Please, teachers, come on out. Where are you? Oh, there they are. Now, a lot of us like to cheer by yelling and hollering and clapping and standing up and going, woo! But I happen to know that some of the teachers out in our audience have special ways of cheering on their favorite teams. Mr. Gardner, do you remember how you cheer on your favorite teams? I'm going to tell them. No, Mr. Gardner, whenever he watches his favorite sports teams and he gets really excited, instead of clapping, he does a little bit of ballet. I know. He looks elegant and very agile, but we're going to ask our teachers here to do a little ballet just like Mr. Gardner. Are we ready? Everyone keep your eyes open. Let's see who is the best ballerina. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, ballet. Well, I'm going to cut them off right there. I'm a little worried. Oh, there you go. Well, in 4th place with 3,055 points is Churchill. Now, I was also hanging out with Miss Mitchell the other night. She was watching the Winnipeg Jets lose, but she had some opportunity. Well, they did lose. They should try harder. And so, and when they scored a goal, let me tell you, Miss Mitchell hopped onto the table and she just started doing the floss like no one's business. Outrageous. Not sure she knows exactly what that is, but shall we see? Oh, stand up, everyone. Let's see the floss for a second. Yes. Absolutely ridiculous. And in third place, with 3,330 points, is Luther King. Now, my favorite way to celebrate is the way Miss Gris celebrates. Miss Gris, do you remember how you celebrate? You don't? Let me tell you. Oh, that is not correct. Every time Miss Gris gets really excited, she just starts breakdancing, just outrageous. She's good, she's great, she's amazing. Ask her to show you later. She is wild. So, in honor of Miss Gris, let's watch these two lovely people cheer on their house teams in a breakdancing style. Let's get a little bit of a beat. Ready? In second place with 3,660 points is Smith. All right, Carrie, stand up. All right, Carrie, on three. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you very much. Now, today we have two really special guests with us. Charlotte and Mark Lawson are here today. They moved to Prince Edward Island 2 years ago, I think, and they've come back to visit us. So Charlotte's in grade 5, and Mark is in grade 3, and you'll see them around the school today. So welcome back. It's a lovely pleasure to have you back to our school for a visit. Now, yesterday was quite funny at lunchtime because in the cafeteria, I was going to send a video to the Winnipeg Jets with all of us saying, "Go Jets, go." Because I think it's really important that we as Canadians support our Canadian teams. But it was a bit of a mixed bag in the cafeteria, and I couldn't send it because there were so many Vegas fans. So I just have to accept that. Tonight is a big game. It's going to be, I think they're going to tie it up tonight. I think they're going to win, Winnipeg. And, yeah. Now, so keep your eye on the score. I want to wish our teachers that are going away to China this morning, there's 4 teachers from the junior school going to China. We wish them well. Miss Walters, Miss Wallace, Mr. RJ, and Miss Blair, and Mr. Caton are all going to China this morning for a week to explore there. Shh. And today is our last day before the holiday. I wish all of you well during the holiday. The weather's supposed to be great. I want to say thank you to Mr. Lenarduzzi for coming, and we'll see you when we come back. Today is our last assembly of the year. So thank you to everybody for coming, and have a great week off. Thank you.